Tuguskaposia sensemo yekiunga chigosori nigo murikyo monne we ekiombe kirigitendete chigosori cha tennis aiga Kenya musubati Wanjiru Karani anyare ko baga kurusege tuguchia ase abasae ane mono abana banyaruka guesonania ase chigosori chiga cha tennis sasa tebire nigo chibwate emirobiri emiya irachi ko bakonya abo abasae abaga kwegenderia ase amatuka bari musyo ase boigo hatebire nigo chigosori chiga chikonekia obochenu bumubere nabigo kwenekia buna omwana omonyaruka kwegenderia ase nchirengia ni gatware nkwana yeye mase moni getasenike kya Getembe nabwe nkwana iga hase akwana no murikito wa amangana mayakuru ase county ya Nairobi Pius Okemo.
This is a beautiful game. It is a wonderful, exciting game to play, but it's also great in terms of health benefits. And it is one of those games, they say, is a game for life, which means from little kids of 4 years to older people up to 90 years old, they all enjoy and can play the game of tennis. For me, I began tennis when I was about 10, 11 years old, and it has been my journey ever since. I have enjoyed playing the game, but more so, I have been part of Kenya team. Because of tennis, I have traveled the world. Because of tennis, I mean, I've been to over, I can't remember, I think there are 40 countries, and most of them is because of being in tennis. Tennis is beneficial, as I said, in terms of health. So even at this age, you find you have something to do. Once you get on the court, all your stress drops away, you get fit, and you remain healthy.
Mwancho murigere no kumenya ngakorugiga iga ime ye club kia chigosori cha Nairobi ase gosori ya tennis no kumenya buna ni gobono abana banyaruka basege turi kweneke buna bagosorire chigosori chiga ikiranyira ko bachiko bakonya ne muno kugendereria ase chisemi buna tonyera ko batuko igwa kurwaso yo mongo uyenyara ko kako umunyangongo ne muno ase gosori yega Oributeria egetaseni kia Getembe kurugiga iga ime yo mucho Nairobi chenkoro kwa Pius Okemo Biogo.